Welcome back to Auto Lab. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic scooters in the world, the Vespa Primavera 150. Known for its timeless style and modern performance, the Primavera 150 is perfect for anyone looking to cruise in style while also benefiting from reliable engineering. Let's start with the design. The Vespa Primavera 150 continues Vespa's tradition of sleek, elegant curves, paired with a compact and lightweight body. Available in a variety of color options, including classic pastels and bold modern tones, the Primavera stands out in any urban setting. Its signature rounded body and chrome accents give it a retro charm while offering modern touches, such as LED lighting and a digital display. Now, onto the engine. The Primavera 150 comes equipped with a 155cc I-Jet single-cylinder engine, featuring electronic fuel injection. This engine delivers a smooth and responsive ride, making it ideal for zipping around city streets or cruising through suburban neighborhoods. With a top speed of about 60 miles per hour, this scooter offers plenty of power for daily commutes while staying fuel efficient at around 94 miles per gallon. So whether you're commuting to work or just taking a scenic ride, the Primavera has got you covered with excellent performance and low running costs. One of the highlights of this model is the riding comfort. Vespa has outfitted the Primavera 150 with a spacious seat and wide handlebars that make it comfortable for riders of all sizes. It also features 12-inch wheels, which are slightly larger than those on previous models, providing improved stability and better handling on uneven road surfaces. When it comes to technology, the Vespa Primavera 150 keeps things modern. It includes a digital display that shows all the essential riding data at a glance. Plus, some versions come with smartphone connectivity, allowing you to pair your device via Bluetooth and track your rides or access navigation through the Vespa app. For those who value safety, the Primavera 150 comes with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, on the front wheel, giving you added control when you need it most. The scooter's agile handling, along with its excellent braking system, ensures that you can ride with confidence, even in congested traffic. Lastly, let's talk price. The Vespa Primavera 150 is a premium scooter, and that's reflected in its price, starting around $5,499. While it's not the cheapest option out there, you're paying for a combination of style, reliability, and performance that few other scooters can match. It's a scooter that not only gets you where you need to go but also makes the journey a stylish and enjoyable experience. So, is the Vespa Primavera 150 worth it? If you're looking for a scooter that blends classic design with modern performance, and you value quality and comfort, then the answer is a definite yes. It's the perfect ride for city dwellers, students, and anyone who loves the combination of elegance and functionality. Thanks for tuning into Auto Lab. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Vespa Primavera 150, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews of the hottest bikes and scooters. See you next time.